Welcome back to my channel. Jamaica has imposed restrictions on travelers from several African countries following emergence of the new COVID-19 variant called Omicron. In a statement, the Health and Wellness Ministry said travelers from South Africa, Botswana, Zimbabwe, Namibia, Lesotho, Eswatini, Mozambique, and Malawi are banned with immediate effect. Similar to earlier moves taken by United States and the European Union. The ministry also notes that persons who are not citizens or permanent residents of Jamaica and have visited the listed countries in the last 14 days will not be allowed entry. Jamaican citizens and permanent residents who are returning from the banned countries will be subjected to mandatory supervised quarantine for 14 days. The World Health Organization, WHO, has declared Omicron variant of concern that it has a large number of mutations which affect transmissibility and vaccine effectiveness. The WHO also said there is early evidence to suggest possible increased risk of reinfection.